Hi everyone, welcome to this video on Fluffy Muffins for WhatsApp. This Muffin is an AI-powered browser that transforms your WhatsApp experience into a whole new level. If you ever struggle to find the right words when drafting a reply, Fluffy Muffins for WhatsApp will help you craft smarter responses in any setting and context. Tired of reading long articles? With our Muffin, you can get instant link summaries, saving you valuable time. Got a message in a foreign language? Our instant AI translation has got you fully covered. And that's just the beginning. There are many more features designed to help you be more productive and smarter. First, download Fluffy Muffins for WhatsApp for free from the link provided in the description below. Then, join me for a guided demo. After downloading the Muffin, double-click on the setup.exe file. On some computers, you may see a Windows alert. If that happens, just click More Info, and then click Run Anyway to continue with the setup. The first thing we need is an API key. Think of it as an access code for AI. Don't worry, it's simple, even if you are new to AI. We'll be using a tool called Grok, which is similar to ChatGPT. With Grok, you can get a free API key. First, go to console.grok.com, type in your email, and click Login with email. You'll receive an email with a link. Just click on Login, and your account is created. The second step is to go to API Keys and create a new API key. You can give it any name you like. Click Submit, then copy the key. Make sure you save the key somewhere safe. Then return to your installation and replace the existing key with the one you just created. Now, continue with the guided installation. Once it's done, launch Fluffy Muffins for WhatsApp. You'll also find shortcuts in your Start menu and on your desktop. Now, this login is very similar to the way you log in to WhatsApp Web. Just go to WhatsApp on your mobile phone and then click on Link Devices option. Scan the QR code and then you're ready to log in. First, let's look at the Smart Reply Generation feature. For example, let's say this is the message I want to reply to. Just highlight a portion of it, and immediately, a reply will be generated for you. This reply is created based on the current mood, generation, and language settings. In this case, the mood is neutral, it's styled as Gen X, and the language is English. You can change it to various moods, styles, and languages. For example, if you're in the mood to roast and want a Gen Z style to add some flair, select these settings. Then, you'll have a smart reply ready. You can also customize it further. Add more emojis, or remove them completely. Increase the size of your message, or make it shorter. Or, you can change the language in which you wish to reply. All these options are available to help you get the right reply quickly. If you want to add something extra, you can include your own prompt. For example, you might say, add about dogs and cats. Fluffy Muffins for WhatsApp will then incorporate your prompt to enhance your reply. At any time, just use the navigation keys to go back and forth between the various drafts and choose what you like. If you don't like any of it, simply go back and regenerate it. Finally, when you're happy with the reply, simply copy the draft and paste it into the WhatsApp reply window. Here's a handy trick: if your cursor is already in the reply window, just click Copy, and it will automatically paste the reply for you. Communication styles vary across generations. Fluffy Muffins is here to help you navigate with ease. Imagine receiving a message like this, filled with unfamiliar terms. Simply highlight the message and go to Summary. you'll instantly receive an explanation, giving you a clearer understanding of the message. Whether you want to appear cool to your children or simply understand them better, Fluffy Muffins is your companion in bridging the generation divide. When writing your own reply, you can use the grammar and spell check feature to avoid any embarrassing mistakes. Simply write or paste your draft and click on the correct spelling and grammar icon. Your message will be polished and professional in no time. Happy with the result? Copy-paste and send it with confidence. Let's explore instant summarization of lengthy articles, saving you lots of time. Here's a link I received. When I click on it, I get an instant summary of what the link is about. If it catches your interest, just click on Go to Link to read the article in full detail. If you want to respond, a reply is already generated. You can customize it to any style you like, then send it off. You can also use Fluffy Muffins as a learning tool. Taking a cue from the previous link summarization, let's say I don't understand what gallium and germanium are. I can simply select them, and now I have an explanation of the terms I didn't know. And maybe now, I don't know what semiconductors are. I just double-click on it and continue learning like this. If I want to go back and forth, the navigation option is always available. Let's explore how the Muffin can help you summarize links in another language. Here's a link in Hindi. All you need to do is click on the link, wait a few seconds, and an English overview of the original Hindi article is generated. There's also a reply ready for you. But if you want to respond in Hindi, just change the language, and there you go. Speaking of translations, you can also translate messages from other languages instantly. For example, if you receive a message in French, a language you don't understand, simply select the message and then go to Summary for an explanation in English. A reply is also generated and available. You can make adjustments and even translate the reply into another language. We understand that your privacy and data security are important. That's why Fluffy Muffins for WhatsApp removes personally identifiable information, such as phone numbers and emails, before it's sent to the AI. To review what is sent to the AI, you can enable the option Approve Data before sending to AI. Once enabled, as you'll see, this is the message that will be sent to the AI. You'll also notice that the phone number and email have been removed. If you choose Yes, the message is sent to the AI. If you choose No, the AI call is not made, giving you greater control over your information. Finally, let's look at the Settings feature. Click on the Settings icon, and you'll be taken to the Settings page. By default, all files and media downloaded from WhatsApp will be stored in this location. You can click here to change it if needed. This is where you'll find the API key for 𝐷𝐿, which you set during installation. If you need to change your API key, you can do it here. To test if your API is working, click on the Test option. If you see an answer to what is a Fluffy Muffin, your API key is working fine. There are many 𝐷𝐿 models available, but unless you want to experiment, we recommend sticking with Llama 3. Thank you for watching this demo video. If you enjoyed it, spread the cheer by sharing the love. Click the Muffin icon to generate a message and easily share it with friends and family. Your support means a lot, thank you. And enjoy your Fluffy Muffins.